Best cheap drone deals for June 2020. DJI, Potensic, Holy Stone and more. 1. DJI Mavic 2. If you want a high-end drone with some of the best flying capabilities and video quality on the market, the prosumer-focused DJI Mavic 2 is it. Two. DJI Mavic Air. The Mavic Air is one of our favorite mid-range drone for its easy flying and outstanding video quality and stabilization features. Three. Holy Stone HS120D GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS120D offers 1080p video and many useful features found on drones several times its price. Four. Potensic T25 GPS Drone. The Potensic T25 is a great deal at under $200 with 1080p live video capabilities and a range of up to 300 meters. Five. Snapton S5C Wi-Fi FPV Drone. The inexpensive and well-reviewed Snapton S5C is a great entry point into an FPV drone for beginners. Six. Potensic D85 GPS Drone. With an impressive 40 minutes of flight time thanks to 2 internal batteries, you'll be in the air much longer than most competing drones of its price. Seven. Snapton SP700 GPS Drone. The SP700's brushless motor emits less noise in flight and keeps the drone hovering stably in windier conditions.